Greetings to another video. Today's video is going to be all about foam rolling, and I'm going to share with you some of my, favourite foam rolling moves, I'm going to show you them later in the video. But this was because a few of you asked me after watching my training video. I'll leave a link to that if you haven't watched it already, because I do foam rolling before and after like gym sessions, and I should do it more. But if you are a cyclist, I think every single cyclist should be foam rolling, and I definitely need to do it more. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of go into it. And also the thing that I found with foam rolling is if I ever get knee pain, which I do have a little bit of knee pain at the minute, foam rolling just alleviates it pretty much straight away. I don't know, well, I do know how it does it, but it's just incredible. You wouldn't think using this for like 30 seconds would help stop pain. So I want to share with that you today, because I've never really done anything about foam rolling before, and I think it is so essential from me starting to do it why it is. So I should just stop jabbering away and get into it. So foam rolling can alleviate soreness, tightness, inflammation, and like I said before, you can literally do 30 to 40 seconds of it on a tender area and it will alleviate the pain pretty much straight away. And the thing that I found kind of spending a lot of time with Phil Burt, who was the Team Sky physio and worked with British Cycling, is that if you get a pain, for example, like I have like a little niggle in my knee, it's not actually always the problem with your knee. So what he explained to me is that actually for me personally, it's my IT band that gets tight. And because that kind of is linked to kind of like down your knee, down your leg, that it's kind of pulling on my knee more. So the fact that that is tight is it's really difficult to show you here. Let me try and show you. So basically, because that is tight there, that is pulling on my knee. Because it's tightened up, it's pulling around my knee, which is making my knee ache, I guess, or just feel a little bit uncomfortable. So by foam rolling the IT band, it alleviates that pressure on your knee. So it can, it's just magical. It's absolutely magical. So I think I should just show you how I actually do it. It is painful. It is so painful, because basically what you're doing by foam rolling is basically giving yourself like a sports massage. It will hurt, and I found that actually the more it hurts, the more relief you get. So this is what I do to massage my IT band. This is what Phil taught me to do. So I lie with one leg straight there, the left one over the top, and then I just get to rolling. Oh hang on, it's too high up. See, that really is tight, and that can be from me doing more weights at the gym. It can be from I've changed to speed play, so maybe that's had some effect on it. Because it's colder at the minute, I'm doing more intense gym sessions, so it can be a lot of things. Ow. So that's the first one and the main one that I do. I'm going to show you a couple of others that I do before I do my gym workouts, and they are glutes and fronts of thighs, just because with cycling they're the muscle groups that I guess get the most hammer. So that's what I'm going to stretch out now. So let's get the foam roller and go. So all you need to do is just sit. I actually try and get the bumpy bits on the bit that I'm rolling. And you can feel almost like a knot in your muscle, and that's the bit, if it's painful and it's knotty, that's the bit that you need to work on loosening. But the foam rollers they're cheap, they're like a tenner or something. In fact, Phil gave me this one when I was having some problems, so they are cheap though. And you can actually get a little mini version of this, which I think I'm going to buy for when I go away. Especially if you're doing like big rides and big events. Foam rolling is like a secret weapon to recovery and not feeling pain. hurt more and the things that you should be rolling. So I hope that has given you a understanding, I guess, of foam rolling. And I mean, there's so many different exercises and stuff you can find online. I'm definitely not an expert, but I know that those 3 specific exercises work really well for me and alleviating any tightness that I might have from cycling. So I reckon that is it. If you've got any good tips for foam rolling, leave them in the comments, and I'll see you next video.
The future is now.